Hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Every Sketch Feature Explained in Solidworks. And today, we are going to be looking at the rectangle feature specifically. So let's just jump right into it. There are 5 types of rectangle features: corner rectangle, center rectangle, 3-point corner rectangle, 3-point center rectangle, and parallelogram. Start by clicking the sketch button and select a plane to work on. For now, I will select the front plane. Now, let's select the first option, the corner rectangle. So first thing to note here is that you will see all of the rectangle features laid out here on the left. The points and numbers on these icons represent the order of clicks needed to make that shape. This first feature draws a rectangle with 2 clicks starting at the corner. Once the rectangle is drawn, you can go ahead and change the lengths by moving any corner points. If you click on any line, you can see its properties here on the left. The angle, the length, let's change that to 2 inches. The relations that can be added, and the existing relations. Because this line has a horizontal relation, we will not be able to change the angle of this line unless this relation is deleted. Similarly, selecting a vertical line will have a vertical relation, and its angle cannot be changed either. The length, however, can be changed to whatever you want. Moving on to the second feature, the center rectangle. This feature draws a rectangle from its center point with 2 clicks, and it comes in really handy when drawing at the origin or at a specific point. You can go ahead and change the lengths by dragging any of the corner points. And by clicking on a line, we can see its existing relation. Let's make it a perfect square by making this line 1 inches. And now the vertical line. There you go, easy peasy. Moving on to the next feature, the 3-point corner rectangle. This feature uses 3 points to create a rectangle, starting at the corner. Oh, and the line does not have to be horizontal. Let's try something different and make the line angled. As mentioned before, you can now change the lengths by dragging any corner points. Clicking on any line will show its properties. In this case, these 2 lines are perpendicular to each other. Also, we can choose to make this line vertical now if we want to. Let's change the dimensions to make it a 2 by 3 inch rectangle. Boom! Man, I'm so smart. Moving on to the next feature, 3-point center rectangle. This feature creates a rectangle using 3 clicks, starting at the center of the rectangle. Change the lengths by dragging one of the corner points. And again, by selecting any line, we can change its angle, its length, or add relations. Let's add a horizontal relation to this line. Moving on to the last feature, a parallelogram. This feature will create a parallelogram using 3 clicks. And since the lines don't have a vertical relation, we can change its length and angle by moving a corner point. Let's change the angle to 35 degrees. Let's finish this lesson with a bonus tip. Another way to create a rectangle is to use the line feature. Simply draw out the shape of a rectangle by drawing individual lines like this. Here we go. and the lengths can be adjusted by driving a corner point. If you're wondering why one of the line is black, it's because while drawing, it became coincident with the origin. Just delete this relation to fix this issue. And with that, let's wrap up this lesson. Again, in this series, I'll be going over all of the features of Solidworks. In the next video, we'll take a look at the arc feature. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and stay tuned for all of the videos. See you in the next episode. Thank you.